So I'm just curious kung paano yung naging mga preparations mo. How was it doing the stunts, the fight scenes, all of those things? Did you have fun?
Super. Alam niya naman po gusto kong mag-action. And si Direk din, as soon as sinabi ni Direk, pinitch sa akin ni Direk yung project. Siyempre, I would say yes. Kasi matagal ko na talagang gustong mag-action. And I guess with regards to preparation, nag-training din ako with sa firing, tapos with the gun, like assembling, tapos yan, yung mga stunts din namin, we really had to rehearse that. Kasi lalo na yung environment, yung condition was, kita nyo naman yung eksena, parang what do you call it, buhangin, dirt, gano'n, mabato. So talaga, very tricky talaga. And as much as possible, sila direct, they wanted the stunts to be realistic. I mean, hindi siya yung parang action movie na, you get what I mean? It's still very realistic. I mean, at the end of the day, hindi naman superhero si Stacy. Normal naman siyang tao. So, it's really a lot of that. Pero sobrang na-enjoy ko po talaga siya, especially yung gun training.
Hindi naman kayo nagkasakitan ni Jerome?
Actually, yung bato yung mananakit sa amin. Pag bumabagsak po kami, yun yung masakit talaga. But sobrang nag-enjoy kami.
Alright, thank you and congratulations.
Thank you. That was Alan Policarpio of Inquirer. For our next question, we have Mark Magadia of Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys. Congratulations sa series na ito. Pinaka nagustuhan ko, parang napansin ko is yung storytelling. Napakahusay nung